Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a white chocolate martini. Now if you like chocolate martinis, wait until you try this one, you're going to love it. I'm going to leave the recipe in the description for you, as well as links for some of my products. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need vanilla vodka, white chocolate liquor, Frangelico, and cream. Alright, I'm going to separate it nice into a mixing glass. I'm going to start by adding half ounce of cream, quarter of an ounce of Frangelico, one ounce of vanilla vodka, and finally 1.5 ounces of white chocolate liquor. Time to shake it. Gonna double strain it. And I'm gonna garnish it with shaved dark chocolate. Alright, let's give it a try. Oh, this is so good. This cocktail tastes as good as it looks and also smells really good. It's not too sweet, and that Frangelico takes this cocktail to the next level. I can definitely taste some white chocolate and a hint of vanilla. I'll give it 9.5 out of 10. And that's how you make the white chocolate martini. Alright, if you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!